In the sacred wisdom of Ifa, every Odu carries its own light, its own destiny, its own message for the world. And among these sacred signs, Òsá-Méjì, the 10th among the 256 Odu Ifa, stands as a symbol of power, transformation, and divine wisdom. Ifa tells us that children born under Òsá-Méjì are not ordinary souls. They are chosen spirits, born to bring light, resolution, and abundance wherever they go. Here are 12 significance of those born under this Odu. 1. Natural destiny and potential. Children born under the Odu Òsá-Méjì carry a powerful destiny. Whether or not they were breastfed by their mothers, they have a high spiritual inclination toward success. Those who were breastfed often achieve greatness easily, while those who were not may face more obstacles. Yet both groups possess a strong inner drive and divine favor that leads to eventual prosperity. 2. Love, honor, and influence. Òsá-Méjì children are naturally loved, respected, and honored. They often attract admiration wherever they go. Their presence commands attention, and their words carry weight in the community. They are frequently found among leaders and decision-makers, and their wisdom makes them highly sought after in resolving disputes or guiding others. 3. Success beyond their birthplace. Though they are destined for greatness, their full success often manifests outside their place of birth. Traveling or relocating helps unlock their divine fortune. For this reason, Òsá-Méjì children are encouraged to move beyond familiar environments to expand their influence and attract opportunities meant for them. 4. Blessings and abundance. They are usually the most successful among their siblings, blessed with wealth, property, good spouses, and many children. Their financial success tends to come through hard work, divine assistance, and their ability to turn challenges into opportunities. 5. Spiritual sensitivity and childbearing guidance. Men and women under Òsá-Méjì with fertility challenges are spiritually advised to avoid consuming all fish and all birds. These creatures share a spiritual affinity with their destiny. Eating them could hinder childbearing or cause difficulties with children's survival. Abstinence from these foods ensures alignment with their spiritual balance. 6. The gift of transformation. One of their greatest gifts is their ability to transform sorrow into joy. They succeed where others fail, receive honor where others face rejection, and bring light into dark situations. Their divine ability to resolve conflict and bring peace makes people trust them deeply. They are born peacemakers, mediators, and healers, capable of restoring hope and uplifting the brokenhearted. 7. Humility and faith above all. Despite their talents, Òsá-Méjì children must guard against pride and arrogance. Their downfall often begins when they boast about their abilities or rely too much on personal skill rather than divine wisdom. Their path to lasting success lies in humility, faith in Olódùmarè, and constant consultation with Ifa. 8. Health and lifestyle. Skipping meals, fasting excessively, or drinking alcohol on an empty stomach is dangerous for Òsá-Méjì-born individuals. It can lead to unfulfilled fortunes and internal organ issues. Proper nourishment and regular meals are essential to maintaining balance and ensuring their destinies remain prosperous. 9. Children and generational traits. Among their offspring, one child may appear lazy or irresponsible, avoiding work and discipline. However, paradoxically, this same child is often destined to surpass all others in greatness and fortune, a mystery of Òsá-Méjì's divine irony and balance. 10. Emotional discipline. Òsá-Méjì children often have strong passions and may be tempted toward extramarital relationships. Such behavior leads only to emotional unrest and spiritual imbalance. Maintaining fidelity and chastity ensures peace, stability, and divine favor in their relationships. 11. Speech and temperament. A notable weakness is their quickness to anger, cursing, and using harsh words, especially toward loved ones. This habit attracts negative energy and can block their spiritual progress. They must learn to tame their tongues, speak with grace, and remember that every word carries spiritual power. 12. Life purpose and fulfillment. Ultimately, Òsá-Méjì children are born for greatness, joy, and fulfillment. They are destined to live happy, prosperous lives if they remain humble, disciplined, spiritually conscious, and faithful to divine instruction. In the end, Ifá declares that Òsá-Méjì children are born for greatness. They are destined to bring transformation, peace, and abundance to the world. But their true strength lies not in wealth or influence. It lies in their humility, wisdom, and connection to Òsá-Méjì. If you found this teaching insightful, like, share, and subscribe to learn more about the wisdom of Ifá, Yoruba spirituality, and destiny alignment. May all Òsá-Méjì born souls find joy, balance, and divine fulfillment in their journey.